Ever wondered how to make money online without selling your own products? Welcome to the curious world of affiliate marketing. This ingenious system allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation. The company expands its audience and increases sales, while you rake in a percentage of the profits. But how does it all work? Imagine you're a middleman connecting consumers with the products they're searching for. In affiliate marketing, your role is to guide potential customers to a company's product and then sit back, relax, and watch the commissions roll in. One platform that has gained popularity in this arena is ClickBank. It's a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace, known for its vast array of digital products and high commission rates. So, how exactly does one get started with ClickBank affiliate marketing? Let's dive right into it. Setting up your ClickBank affiliate marketing venture involves several key steps. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign up for a ClickBank account. It's a simple process. Just visit the ClickBank website and follow their registration process. All you need is an email address and a password. Remember to read their terms and conditions before you sign up. Step 2. Choose your product. ClickBank has thousands of products to choose from, spread across a wide range of niches. It's important to select a product that aligns with your interests or expertise. This way you can genuinely promote the product and add value to your audience. Step 3. Get your affiliate link. Once you've chosen a product, you'll need to generate your unique affiliate link. This is the link that you'll share with your audience. Any purchases made through this link will earn you a commission. Step 4. Promote your product. This is where the real work begins. You can use various strategies to promote your product, such as content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and even paid advertising. Remember, the goal is to reach as many potential customers as possible and convince them to buy the product through your link. Step 5. Earn your commission. Every time someone buys the product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies from product to product, but it can range from 20% to 75% of the product's price. So, the more sales you make, the more money you earn. And finally, Step 6. Monitor your progress. ClickBank provides a comprehensive dashboard where you can track your sales and commissions. This is a great way to see which strategies are working and which ones need to be tweaked. And that's it. You are now a ClickBank affiliate marketer. But what are the key points to remember? ClickBank affiliate marketing may seem complex, but it's really quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Let's recap what we've covered so far. First, we've looked at the process of becoming a ClickBank affiliate marketer. It's a simple process, really. You sign up, choose a product you believe in, and then start promoting it. The benefits of this type of marketing are numerous. For one, it's a great way to earn passive income. You do the work once, and then the money keeps rolling in. Additionally, it allows you to work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. And let's not forget the beauty of promoting products you are genuinely passionate about. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing something you love with others and making a difference in their lives. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products you are passionate about and promoting them effectively. So, are you ready to start your journey as a ClickBank affiliate marketer? The world of affiliate marketing is a vast ocean of opportunities waiting to be explored, and ClickBank is your trusty vessel to navigate these waters successfully. It's a platform that offers an array of products to promote, a well-established reputation in the industry, and the chance to earn a substantial income. Remember, the key to thriving in this sphere is persistence, learning, and adapting. Embrace the dynamic nature of the digital market and be ready to evolve with it. The benefits are manifold, from the freedom of working from anywhere at any time to the thrill of building your own business. So why wait? Dive in and start your ClickBank affiliate marketing journey today. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success as a ClickBank affiliate marketer.